Happy Sunday! We are on our way to Dollar General to do a gain deal today, so that's really exciting. We've got flings, we've got fabric softener sheets, we've got all kinds of stuff, so stick around for that. We're also going to take a quick look through the DG ad for this week and just look at the sales and what's going on. Spoiler alert, I'm not too excited about it. This might not be a DG week for everybody, but definitely do this gain deal. This is going to be a really good deal for you guys, so stick around and check it out.
Shut up and sit down.
Okay, so the first thing that we're going to pick up this week are the Gain Flings. These are the 14, it's 12 to 14 count, but I like to get the 14 packs just because I'm getting more of value for my money that way. So they're currently $3.95 on sale. There is a $2 off digital coupon in your account, making them $1.95. We're going to add that to the deal. Okay, so the next item that we're going to pick up are the Gain Fabric Softener Sheets, the dryer sheets. Now, keep an eye on this because you see how these are running out this week. This is the 105 count. They're originally $4.50. They're on sale for $3.95. You've got this $2 off coupon making them $1.95. That's a really good deal. However, why not just pick up the $2 one that's a 34 sheet count and have that be a free item toward the total of your 5 off of 25 with your gain deal. So that's going to be a better deal for you. They only, as you can see, tagged this 105 sheet one, but the coupon itself doesn't have a limit. And when you scan it on their app, the coupon pops up as being an option for these as well. So we're going to go ahead and get the lower count. Okay, so the next item that you're going to pick up is the Febreze Air. Make sure you get the Gain scent. Everything has to be Gain scented in order to do a gain deal. Now, typically we'll have a $2 off coupon on these because they are $3, so that makes it a little bit better deal. This week, as you can see, there's only a $1 off digital coupon, making this $2, which isn't as good as we would usually get it for, but it is going to count towards our total. So we're going to go ahead and pick up one of these. Make sure you have that $1 off coupon clipped, and this is going to go toward our total. The next item that we're going to pick up is the Mr. Clean Freak. I've never tried this stuff before, but I'm excited to give it a go. I like that it has this removable top, and then you can use it with the refills. So that's actually how we're going to add it to our transaction today. We're going to purchase this for $5, and we're going to use our buy one get one free from the August P&G insert coupon. Now there's a digital one for this as well, but I like to use the paper just to make sure that it's going to come off. So pick up one of these. You're going to pick up one of the refills. This is going to be your free item. So $5 is going to go toward your total, and then $3 is going to be subtracted. Okay, so the next item that we're going to pick up are the Swiffer Sweeper Wet refills. These are the wet cloths that go on the mop. You could also get the Swiffer Wet Jet refill right there, but that's going to be a little bit more expensive. But if you have a wet jet, that's an option for you. The coupon works on both items, but this is originally $4.50. We have $2 coming off of that. So we're going to add that to our cart. But also, keep in mind there's a separate coupon out there available right now as well for the starter kits down here. So see, make sure you're not picking up the $10 one. If you wanted to swap this out, if you have enough of the wet cloths for whatever reason, if you wanted to swap it out for one of these duster kits, these are Gain scented. You want to make sure you have the one that has the handle and the 5 cloths that go with it. They're originally $4.50 as well. It has a separate coupon for $2.50. So if you wanted to do some maneuvering around with your deal and get both items and swap something else out, you could do that.
So as I promised at the beginning of the video, I just want to take a look through the weekly ad this week for Dollar General with you. Yeah, I'm not seeing any super exciting savings. You know, if you wanted to wait and save this $2 gain to add to your $2 off gain to add to your digital 5 off 25 deal for this week, you could do that instead of doing a full gain deal. They've got these. This is a pretty good deal. These 12-pack of bottles for the soda for $5. That's not bad. That's not really gonna help your 5 off of 25 total very much, but it's not a bad deal just overall. Again, just $1 off soda. Some of the deals this week look like they were mostly on food. We've got the 3 for $6 over here with $1 off. So 3 for $5. You can get the Rice Krispies, the Keebler stuff, Kellogg's, Nutri-Grain, Pringles. So that might be an option. I'm really just not impressed with the deals this week. This might be a week to stay home from Dollar General and just try a couple other things. But if you guys are really interested in a deal, I'll try to put one together, maybe a food one. But it's definitely going to be a higher out-of-pocket cost just because, we're not even seeing amazing food deals. We're seeing okay food deals. 2 for $5 on Lay's chips. These 2 for $7 on the Tombstone pizzas were good. Last time we did this, we had $1 off, so they ended up being 2 for $6, and it was a good thing to add to our 5 off 25. But I don't think there's a coupon available for these at this time. I'm waiting until I can find a good deal on this Cascade. I keep seeing $1 off and 50 cents off, but they're usually the bigger packs, and I'm just not excited about that. 25 cents off of paper towels is hilarious. That's just not going to get me out of bed. What else? They have buy 2 get 1 free, I guess, on the motor oil if you need motor oil. What else here? Some good deals on food if you just want to do your regular shopping on a couple of food items here. It doesn't look too bad. Got buy 3 get 1 free on the Snickers, buy 3 get 1 free on the cookies and crackers. That's a better deal. Get a little bit heartier stuff for that. Most of their food deals are usually on candy though, and you're not really getting, grocery items. Sale on Blue Bonnet butter, the margarine tub. That's okay. $1.95 for margarine's okay. 90 cents Chef Boyardee, that's passable. Buy 2 get 1 free on the hamburger helper. I think that's a little bit better deal than we've typically gotten on those. And there's a coupon for like buy 4 get $1 off or something, so you might be able to combine those two things. These Old El Paso items are on sale. I know we still have a coupon, a digital coupon for is it $1 off of 2 Old El Paso products? So that might be something. Let's see here. They still have all their back to school items on sale. And if you get out tonight, if you're in Ohio, you can take advantage of the last few hours of the tax-free weekend. Keep in mind though, this 5 off of 15, as you saw in my previous video where we went school shopping, that 5 off of 15 is only good on stationary items. Now it does include a lot. You can see right there, pens, pencils, markers, crayons, backpacks, lunch kits, all that stuff. But the ad is a little bit confusing because this stuff down here, which is still sort of school related stuff, right? Everybody needs those Ziploc bags. Everybody needs the paper towels. This stuff is not included. So just keep that in mind. Although, if you wanted to stock up, $1 for some freezer bags and things like that, aren't too bad there. So that's a positive. So I didn't film our transaction because for whatever reason, our DG today was way full. I don't know if it was just tax-free weekend. I don't know if you guys have that in other states. Around here in Ohio, we have tax-free weekend where close to back to school time, school supplies, clothes, things like that are tax-free just for, I think it's just Saturday and Sunday. But most of the people I saw weren't buying those sort of items. They were mostly just going in for like a regular grocery order. So I'm a little confused as to why it was so busy today. Our DG is pretty slow and sleepy. We live out in the country, so we don't see a lot of action. But the line was around the store, so that was kind of crazy. So I didn't film. Everything worked out fine. All the coupons came off except for the paper Mr. Clean. I don't know what it was, but it did not scan in. But she checked it, and what we bought did qualify. We even scanned it with the app, and the Mr. Clean does definitely apply to the 5 off of 20 deal. So not sure what the deal was there, but she went ahead and put it through for us with no issues because it was obvious that we bought the right item. It wasn't expired or anything like that. So other than that, everything went smooth. Yeah, nothing came off inappropriately, did it?
Nope.
It was all good. So definitely check out this game deal.
Shut up and sit down.